Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an opening of a display box of Ghosts from the Past 2, The Second Haunting. Uh, Before I get into it, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, hit that bell notification button to see when I put more videos up. But yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so I pre-opened the boxes, like the little display box pieces, because they're a pain to get into, and I didn't want to make too much noise on the video. But we're gonna crack right into it. See if we can get ourselves a ghost rare today. Alright, to start things off, we got a Crimson Knight Vampire Braum, a Glow Up Bloom. Ooh, we're starting off strong. A Crystron Halky Fibrax. That's a good one right there. We got a Fossil Fusion and a DD Lamia. God, that's a wicked good start. Um, I don't own a copy of Crystron, so that's a pretty good one to start off with. Next is another Crimson Knight Vampire Braum, a Agent of Creation's Venus, a thing. Ooh, Elemental Hero Neos Kluger. That's a good one too. That's a new print for, or a new card in general. I don't think that's been printed in the TCG. Chimera Tech Fortress Dragon, and a Tenyi Spirit Adhara. Um, yeah, I've never really pulled a Crystron Halky Fibrax. Overall, this is like a big reprint set for a lot of people. Aluber is in here, which is a crazy expensive card right now. Well, this version of it isn't, but it was like $110. I think it dropped as well because of this new printing. Vision Hero Gravito, Math Mech Edition. We have Ariza, the Mega Monarch, very cool. Vision Hero Multiply Guy, and a On Meraki. Think this is the last pack for the first little box that we had. We're looking for any ghost rares, really. Tenyi Spirit, Shathana, I believe. Domain of the True Monarchs, a Ghost Trick Mary. I'm also looking for Ghost Trick cards because I'm missing a bunch. And then Hella, Gene Raider, Boss of Doom, and then Rare Fish. Very nice. Some of those old vanilla fusions are getting reprints, which is really nice. That, Sandwich, just a bunch of good stuff. Altergeist Failover, Master Hyperion, a Majesty Hyperion, Vampire Sucker, Tenyi Spirit Vishuda, another good reprint. You guys will have to let me know how you guys' pulls have been going on this new reprint set. I'm hoping to pull some Alubers. Vampire Grace, Despian Comedy, a nice rarity upgrade. DDD Vice King Requiem, the Agent of Entropy Uranus, and then Motor Shell. Oh, the thing I was saying was the the agent stuff. The reason it's in here is because they aren't. They did a structure deck in the OCG, but they didn't do it in the TCG. Instead, they lumped into Ghost from the Past, the Second Haunting. Chimera Tech Rampage Dragon. We have Primath Tech Laplacian. Vision Hero Ferris, another good reprint. Redbeard the Plunder Patrol matey, very cool. And then Yazi, Evil of the Yang Zheng. Very, very, very nice. We're still looking for a ghost rare though. I heard the odds are much higher now. We have Cynet Conflict, Domain of the True Monarchs, Chaos Greffer, a number 60 Dagares the Timeless, and then Vampire Takeover. I think we're almost halfway through the opening. Okay, we got a Box of Friends, a Altergeist Failover, a Shell Knight, a Plunder Patrol Lice, and a DDD Duo Dawn King Kali-Yuga. I do like that the Plunder Patrol cards are getting reprints in this, because those were before I started getting back into collecting Yu-Gi-Oh! And I would like to get some. DD Savant Thomas. Performer Pal Misdirector, another Chaos Greffer. We have an Agent of Mystery, or Agent of Mystery Earth, and then a Victoria Angel Bravery. Come on, Ghost Rare. We have an Executor of the Underworld Pluto. We have a Void Cauldron. An Aluber. Hell yeah, that's a money card right there. That's one of the 3 I need. Contract with the Void, and then a Plunder Patrol Brawn. Or Plunder Patrol Ship Brawn. Very nice. I was looking for more Plunder Patrol stuff. Come on, Ghost Rare. Vision Hero Gravito. Retaliating Sea. A Vision Hero Increase. A Mecha Phantom Beast Coltwing. And a Vampire Domination. We're getting down to the wire here. We have a Samsara Dragon, a DD Swamp Slime, a Time Thief Temperwall. Temperwall? Temperwall? I don't know how to pronounce that. Cypher Twin Raptor, and a double Cypher Twin Raptor, huh? Alright. That's a little strange. Alright. Wandering King Whirlwind. Yang Zing Brutality, a Fossil Machine Skull Convoy, Inzektor Hornet, and then a Code Extorter. Come on, Ghost Rare. Dark Contract with the Gate, a Cupid Pitch, a DD Destiny King Laplas, the Chorus in the Sky, Primal Dragon, the Primordial. Down to the last 5 packs. Come on. We can do this. Box of Friends, Vampire Sorcerer, Mystical Sand, Code Radiator, and a Reptilian Lamia. I think the Reptilian stuff is new too. I'm not entirely sure though. Come on. Retaliating Sea. DD Savant Copernicus. A Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon. That's a hit right there. That's a nice hit. We have a Redbeard, the Plunder Patrol matey again. And then another Yazi, Evil of the Yang Zing. We're down to the last 3. The last 3 packs of the opening. Fossil Machine, Skull Buggy. A Agent of Force Mars, a Shell Knight, a number 60, Dagaris, Vampire Takeover. Alright, can we pull a Ghost Rare in the last 2 packs? We have a Theater of the Branded, a Moerk, a Vision Hero Ferris, a Fossil Fusion, and a DD Lamia. Last pack, and it is a Dark Magician Girl pack. Can we pull the Ghost Rare Dark Magician Girl? That is the current highest value of them. We have a Crimsonite Vampire Braum, an Agent of Creation Venus, and a Necroworld Banshee. No Ghost Rare. We have Earth, and we have Angel of Bravery. Unfortunately, the Ghost Rare was not in our display box. We did, however, pull some pretty nice cards. We pulled a Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon. Very nice. We got an Aluber, the Jester of Despia. Decentering on that is kind of ass. Not gonna lie. A Ryza, the Mega Monarch. A Kluger. And a Crystron, Helki Fibrax. Alright, well that's it for the opening, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification to know when a video goes live. Also, I'm going to be announcing a Ghost from the Past 2 giveaway here soon. I'm going to be buying more. Trying to get that Ghost Rare, but when I do the next opening video, I will be announcing a giveaway. But yeah, peace.